good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Stand up tight. Say morning to the face.
Morning, girls.
You guys.
Today I'm going to school today, and today. No, I'm going to school today and today, and not today and today and today and not today and not today.
What? What?
Because 2 weeks I go to school first, and the third one that I don't go to school is swim lessons. Fourth one, Thursday that I go to school.
Oh, so you have to say the next day and the next day and the next day, not today and today and today. Put your foot in, hurry, please start screaming. So you wanted to tell them that you're going to school today, tomorrow, and not the day after that, but the next day and the next day.
Mama, look.
Saturday. Yes, Saturday is on your socks and today is Monday. Come. Next foot. Why are you giving me the foot that already have socks?
First I want you to put my shoes without the socks on that side.
You're too funny. You guys, of course
I'm not too funny, I'm a mess.
Yes, you are a mess, like your papa. It's school day, so you don't know it's school routine is on.
It's raining.
No, it's not raining today, so no, you're not gonna wear your new rain shoes. You'll wear it when it's raining, okay?
Okay.
Getting Tyler ready for school, so we can get this day going. Babe just run out the house.
Mama, do that to me.
Babe just ran out the house. Sarah is in her room playing. Come, so I can focus on getting Tyler up and out of here.
We buy that uniform at Primark.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
I don't think so. I think we buy it at Carrefour. No, at Leclerc.
At Leclerc? With that white wing?
No. Come sit. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you all are having a good day.
And go to school Monday,
Sit.
Tuesday,
Sit.
Thursday, and Friday, remember, and go to school on Thursday.
And why you don't go to school on Wednesdays?
Because all the Wednesdays go to swim lessons, and all the fun Saturday and Sunday stay at home.
Right, because school doesn't keep on a Wednesday here in France. You do extracurricular activities on a Wednesday.
There is a new school up that we choose to go every day.
Yeah, but that school is just activities on a Wednesday.
Yes.
Right. But
So
you don't
we
go to that school
don't need to
anymore.
Yes, because it's too long.
Yeah, and you stay home. You do swimming lesson now, so you don't need to go to that school.
Yes.
Sarah. Turn around. Anyway, you guys, have a good day, whether you're going to school, work, or you're staying home. Stay productive, do something.
Or going to
to swim
the
lesson.
tram and going to go to swimming lessons.
Come, let's go. Get your shoes on. Selfies. See you guys later.
See you guys. See you guys Tuesday.
No, you'll see them later when you come home from school. Anyway, you guys, here goes your girl. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Screamer. Good morning, Screamer, Screamer.
That one?
Yes. Come, let me clean it. Give it to me.
Mama, I didn't say the light one.
Yeah, I know. I was just telling you that it's this one, so you know exactly which one I'm talking.
Mama, can the pop?
Say
Mama, look, she's standing in her bed.
I know.
She's 8 months today?
No, she's 8 months tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. And you're gonna have to call Grandma Lisa because it's Grandma's birthday.
Tomorrow? When's Grandma's birthday and she 8 months?
Today is Grandma's birthday.
I need to get her today.
When you come from school.
Yes.
Come, Ty. Go put them on. You guys, I am so proud of Sarah. My girl sat in her chair, give me 1 hour and 30 minutes to work out, and she's still sitting down, not a sound. She even took a little nap after. I did everything that I wanted to do, mission accomplished. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, baby. You did very well. Good job. She sat and watched her bob the train until she fell asleep. She woke up and I was still working out, and she just sat there and watched the computer until I get everything done. So I feel so thankful. I am so lucky. I'm so grateful I got my workout done. Hopefully you guys get something in this morning, whether it's walk, run, skip, jump, hop, whatever it is, something physical. It will go a long way. Trust the process. Nothing happened within a day. You have to take your time, trust the process, and you'll see your results after a while, girl. Right now that that's accomplished and I stop her bob the train, she's sounding. So I am going to go jump into the shower, get fresh, and carry on with my day. So here is a little of what I did this morning. Enjoy. And there is my girl. You calling Tyler? Tyler is at school. You calling Tyler? You calling Tyler? Tyler's at school. Tyler's at school. Alright, let's go. Who you calling? Tyler? You guys, today is my mother's birthday. It's my mama's birthday. My mom is 54 years, fine, young, looking gorgeous as can be. Thank the Almighty God for keeping her this long with us. I'm grateful to have my mom with me every single day. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you and I miss you so much. Every time this time of year I get sad because I remember back home always being with Mommy for birthday, all her birthdays. So being away from her is not easy, but we gotta do what we gotta do around here. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. You guys, Sarah just had her lunch, and here won't give me a chance to eat mine, as I'm about to have mine right now. And I'm having some leftover jerk chicken from yesterday's dinner and some lettuce and avocado and a little tip of quinoa, which you will be able to see. There it is. Oh, quinoa is under the bottom of the salad, so you have the lettuce, so you will see it. So yeah, that's lunch. Somebody is awake. 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 Look how your eyes still closed. Come. You're still sleeping. You're still sleeping. Look. Look, you're still sleeping, Mama. Took a nap. 45 minutes. That's not bad. Good girl. You're awake? You're awake? You're awake? Yes? That's you been playing all day by yourself. You're such a big girl now. Yeah, you coming to Mama? No? She's such a big girl, you guys. She's just on the floor playing all day while I get some work done. And now it's your snack time. It's your snack time. It's time for a bottle. You're gonna go play, let Mama make your bottle? Look at her. Mama going to make your bottle. Okay? I'm going to make your bottle. Look at her looking at me. Oh! Uh-oh! 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 Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get as much work done as possible. Gonna make Princess a bottle right now. It's snack time for little miss. I'ma make my girl a bottle. And then I need to come and clean this kitchen and make dinner because it's 4 o'clock right now. So I need to cook, girl. For dinner today, I'm gonna do sweet potato and some beef mince. Yup. And some kind of vegetables. I'll figure that out in a bit. Like for tonight, I am doing mince, but I'm adding the vegetables to the mince today. Dinner is ready. That looks so good. Yum. Who is home and eating dinner?
Tyler.
Tyler. And who is here climbing on Mama? Sarah. And who is around the back working out? Papa. Papa is home and working out. Leave it. Let's go look for Papa. Come.
While it's the end of the day, it doesn't finish like we wanted it to finish. Babe went at the usual time to put to bed, but I think Sarah is on pain, so she doesn't sleep well. She wake up every 10 minutes, so yeah, babe went to bed with her. She stayed with her since 8 p.m. so yeah, hopefully she gonna have a good night. Yeah, the night's gonna be long, so I'm coming here to end the vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's just the little things in life that happen and that make life beautiful, in terms of you don't expect anything, and yes, as a parents, you just know it can happen, so nothing's wrong, it's just parenting. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.